Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Skilling Preparation course. Today, we are going to talk about how to use Mail Merge in Google Sheets. Mail Merge is an add-on to Google Sheets. It's a very important feature which helps us in sending customized data through emails. You can prepare data in the Google Sheet and you can directly send it to the corresponding person from there. Let's discuss the process involved in sending emails using Mail Merge in detail. For example, I have prepared this sheet with the marks of these candidates subject-wise and I want to send them an email showing their marks subject-wise. Instead of sending one mail at a time of these candidates, I can use the Mail Merge add-on to achieve this in one go. As a first step, you have to add this add-on to your Google Sheets. Select Add-on from your menu bar and click Get Add-ons. Here in the search bar you have to type Mail Merge and now you can see a variety of Mail Merge options available. In this we have to select Mail Merge to emails and letters. Then click on Install option and click Continue option. Now select the account in which you wish to add this add-on and click Allow in the dialog box. Now the add-on is ready to be used. Click on Done. Now again go to Add-on to find the Mail Merge option and select Start. This dialog box available in the right side of your window will allow you to make modifications in the email. Select the subsheet name in the first option. If there are too many subsheets in your workbook, this will help you to identify the subsheet from which you want to send the email. In the Email ID option, select the email ID from the drop-down. This drop-down will be automatically fetched by the headings of your sheet. Now, type the subject as you need. After this, we are moving on to the email body by clicking this option. Type the email body as you wish. You have inserted the tags in your email body, which will help fetch the data from your Google Sheet and send it to the corresponding person. You can set the tags for all the headings available in your file. Please make sure that the tags are entered in the specific format as mentioned here. Only then it can fetch the data. Tags play an important role in modifying the data to whom we are sending it. When you insert a merge tag in your email, it will replace the tag with content stored in corresponding heading. A merge tag only works correctly when there is data available, its corresponding heading. When you type a merge tag directly into your content, be sure to surround the label with the asterisk and pipe characters. If there's a typo in the Mail Merge tag, your contacts will see the mistyped text instead of their personalized content. You'll find the pipe key above the Enter key, or you can directly add the merge tag by placing the cursor wherever you want to add the selected heading from the drop-down as you see here, and then select Insert Merge field. This is an easy way to insert the merge tag. You can also format your email by using Format options available in the top as you see here in the email body template box. Now as you can see, I am changing the marks font to blue color and changing its size and making it bold. By using these options, you can add bulletins to your text or add numbers also. You can align the text using the alignment available here and so on. You would get all the format options that are available in Gmail here also. As you can see here, you can add images to your email and also even tables. You can also send various links through your emails. If you want to add an attachment to your email, you can add the attachment to your Google Drive. Make it as a public document and get the link, and you can paste it here as I am showing you now. As you see here, I have uploaded a sample document in my drive, and I want to make this document as a public document. For that, I am opening this document and selecting the Publish to Web option from File menu. Now you have to click on the Publish option and select OK. Now you will get the published link of your document. You can copy this here and you can go to your email body to add this as an attachment. Once you complete the email body, please don't forget to click this Save Email Body option at the top. Else, whatever you filled it now will be lost. You can customize the display name also from this option. Now everything is ready. We can test it before sending the email by sending this test email option and clicking on merge. You can see that the test email is sent to your inbox. In this stage, if you want, you can make any corrections, else you can directly move on to the emails option. You can click on this email option and click on merge. Once you click this yes option, your email will be sent to all the candidates' email ID mentioned here. You can also just make a draft of your email by selecting this Gmail's draft folder. This feature will be helpful in sending emails with the modified data to the candidates. Once you send the email, you can check its status in the Filter Rows Merged column. This will be automatically created when you send the emails. When you want to update any data in the columns and you want to resend it again, you can simply delete the data in the Filter Rows to Merge column and send the email once again. The mail merge will automatically fetch the data in blank Filter to Merge column and send email to those candidates. In this way, you can resend the email again easily. Now, let's check the email sent to my inbox. So, this is the email we sent now via mail merge option. This is a very useful tool to send customized details to a group of people via a single action. Hope you make use of it at your work. Thank you.